So in this video we're going to take a look at how you import data from a previous version of Management by Statistics into the new one. On this computer here, which you may not see very well, the size is a bit smaller, I have installed the new version, but I also have the old version. If I open the old version, Management by Statistics 1, you will see that there are some graphs in there. It's coming up. So in this case, I just selected two statistics for a company called Healthy Smiles, and I know exactly where that data is located. So it's coming back. In any case, you often know where it is, otherwise we can always help you locate it as long as the old program is running. In this case it's on the C drive. By default there is a folder named StatsWin. In this folder there is a folder named Data. You can usually just copy paste that whole folder. So in this case what we're going to do is copy this whole folder that I called sample data and import it immediately into Management by Statistics 3. So on this new computer I have installed the program and I have another company working. So if I'm signed in as admin, if I go in administration, maintain companies, you can see there's already two other companies in here. But I can always import any other one, which also means that if you have several databases which are separated for the older version of Management by Statistics, you are able to import them all side by side and have them all working in one new program. So if I click import data, it's going to ask me to browse. I actually know that the sample data is here on my desktop, but you can imagine it could be anywhere. It could be on a USB stick for that matter. You could email it. It doesn't really matter. Once you have the data, just select the folder, open it. There'll be a single file for the list of all your companies. And when you click open, what you will see is the list of your companies. If you have more than one, you can select the one that you want. If I click next, I'll have the validation of the ones I want to import. And if I click next, you will have a log report showing you if there are errors during the import. Sometimes that happens because you were able to make more modifications to the formulas, for example, in the older version that the new version will not let you do because of that. So it's always easy to solve those. We have experience doing that. At the end of the process, you will see everything is imported. When I click on finish, I have a new company here. So just like all the others, I can double click and edit my company and edit anything I want in there. I can also go to dashboard, select all statistics, change my company, which my new company appears here. And I'll be able, for example, to go to the same data. So once you're on the data, you will see that you have the ease of using the new software. So I can just go to all statistics, select one, for example, that is weekly. I can immediately switch to view the monthly view. I can also go weekly, see that a monthly statistic that was imported, for example, total collections, will be looking at something that's monthly. So if I switch to a monthly view, it'll automatically show you the values. So that's how easy it is, and you can switch between companies. What's more important is you can, of course, create statistics and graphs where you can compare or use the values of different statistics across companies with equations. It'll all be in the same database.